Well guys, fall is pecan season, and today on Shareably Delicious, I'm honored to share with you Grandma Toot's pecan pie. If you enjoy this or any of our videos, please like and subscribe. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now the first ingredient is a frozen regular sized pie crust. Do not defrost it ahead of time. The next ingredient is just about 1 cup of pecans. You want enough to just cover the bottom of your pie pan. Now I like pecans and I thought more was better, but I was wrong. If you put too many, you won't have enough room for your filling and the pie will overflow. This is just about what you want it to look like. Now slice 1/4 cup of butter over the pecans. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to mix 3 eggs well beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of white corn syrup. Whisk those ingredients together until well combined like this. Now pour all of this mixture into the pie crust. Now carefully slide your pie onto a cookie sheet and you're ready to bake. You'll want to bake your pie until it's gelled in the middle, which for us was about 45 minutes. Here's what the finished pie should look like. The top is completely brown and the middle barely moves whenever you jiggle it. There shouldn't be any sloshing around like it's wet in the middle. Here it is, y'all. One of the easiest pies I've ever made, yet the most delicious. I think Grandma Toot would be proud today.